subscribe and help the channel get to 200,000 Welcome to my fans on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Orlando Pirates 2, Milford 0. I'm joined by Ngwali.
Hola Brastibos.
Yebo.
Yeah.
Ngwali.
Hola.
Ngwali.
Ibakania. Orlando Pirates. My team. First game, 3 points. Let me first congratulate Umfukeng. Last night, that guy, President Yama 2000, believed his first trophy last night. Who scored a winning penalty. Overseas, Brawam. Walifti Cup.
I'm a winner.
So proud of that guy. We are proud. Now, today, we collected 3 points. First game, Sifumane replacement, Gasaleng, Bonilu number 49. Replacement, that guy. Brawam, I'm happy the way Pirates had Lalanga call. A mandate here is clear this season is to defend a trophy weight. We want to win star. We want a second star. We want to dominate South Africa. Imnandi into sold out stadium. Tina Stali no babu sold out stadium. I be sold out in my tape. Wonga ma games wethu sodlala ekhaya sidlala ama sold out games asifani nama 57 fans asifani nabantu abacomplainela ama awards Brawam sidominatile we dominated nama awards but abantu bayakhala about ama awards sihe abayazi lona asibayeke kanjalo.